Hi, I'm Andy from Charbroil, and today I'm here to show you our new Charbroil Pro Series lineup. Every model comes ready to grill and griddle, and we designed the whole lineup so that you can move into charcoal cooking just as easily. Whether you want juicy burgers on the grill, eggs and bacon on a griddle, or smoky wings on real charcoal, these grills are built to do it all in one unit. The 4-burner with side burner is a true 3-in-1, which comes out of the box with our patented gas-to-coal charcoal trays. The other models can turn into 3-in-1 by adding our charcoal trays as a separate accessory. The Pro Series comes in a range of sizes: 2-burner, 3-burner, 4-burner, and versions with a side burner for cooking sauces and sides. Each grill includes a griddle top that you can drop in under a minute. Just remove the grates, place the griddle, turn the knob, and you're set for smashed burgers, bacon, eggs, anything you'd like to use a flat top for. If you really want charcoal flavor, the process is simple. Insert the charcoal trays, pour in your charcoal, and light it with a knob. No chimneys, no lighters. It's the easiest way to cook with charcoal, period. All Pro Series grills feature our patented Amplifier cooking system, which locks in juices, completely eliminates flare-ups, and delivers even heat across the surface of the grill for up to 50% juicier food. It's a total game changer. We engineered this grill to be seriously durable, built with materials to hold up season after season. You also get helpful touches like a propane gauge so you know when you're running low. And we made sure it looks great outside too, so it's something that you'll be proud to show off in your backyard. I mean, come on, look at this thing. Every Pro Series is backed by our 10-year burner warranty and our best-in-class customer support team. So if you're in the market for a new grill, check out the Pro Series, which gives you true 3-in-1 versatility and the durability to last season after season. So don't go buy a gas grill, a griddle, and a charcoal grill. Get a Pro Series. You can do it all.